Hello, and welcome to OCL's video tutorial series. In this video, I will be showing you how to access and borrow ebooks and audiobooks using Jasmine Digital Library. This service is provided free of charge with your OCL library card. You will need your library card number to sign in to Jasmine. To begin, we're going to open an internet browser window. You can use any internet browser. For example, Google Chrome, Firefox, Internet Explorer, or if you're using an Apple device, Safari. I will be using Google Chrome. Left double-click on the icon. On the top of your browser window, you will see an address bar. Here, type in Orangeburg County.org/OCL and press the Enter key. Scroll down until you see 4 tiles. The 4th tile is Jasmine. Go ahead and left click anywhere on the Jasmine logo. This pop-up here is just telling us that we're getting ready to navigate to Jasmine's website. Go ahead and left click OK. If you want an accurate list of what is available to you with your Orangeburg County Library card, you're going to want to sign in. Go ahead and left click on this blue sign-in box. On this page, you will see that it says select your library. Orangeburg County Library is already selected, but if you hit this downward arrow, you can see all of the libraries that you can choose from. We'll go ahead and reselect Orangeburg County Library by left clicking. In this second box, it says card number. Left click that box and then type in your Orangeburg County Library card number. Once your library card number is entered, left click on the blue sign-in box. Now you can browse the library to see what is available to you with your library card. Let's do a sample search. If we left click on the word search, you'll see that a search bar appears. Here you can enter a title, an author, or a key term. Let's search Harry Potter. After typing in your term, press the Enter key. Here you can see that there are several books that fall under the key terms Harry Potter. You can tell if a book is an ebook or an audiobook by looking below the image. This one is an audiobook and this one is an ebook. At the top of every item in the library is one of 2 things. Either a box with the word available or a white box that says wait list. If the item is currently available for checkout, down below the image you'll see the word borrow. If title says that it's waitlisted, it means that the book is currently checked out to another patron. Even though you cannot immediately check the item out, you can put it on hold. Down underneath this image you see place a hold. Click on those words and a pop-up will appear. Here you enter an email address. This email address will allow Jasmine to contact you when your item is available for checkout. Remember, this email address is going to be used only to let you know when your books are available for checkout. Jasmine does not use your email address for any other purpose. Once you enter it on your first book, you will not have to enter your email address in the future. However, if you decide to use a different email address, you can change it. Once you've entered your email address, left click on the blue place a hold. This next pop-up tells you that you've had success in placing your item on hold. Here you can tell what your place is on that copy of the book. Let's go ahead and click the X on the upper right of this pop-up. This ebook is available to be borrowed. Down on the blue borrow, we're going to left click. This pop-up lets us change how many days we would like to borrow the book for. You can do it for 14 days or for 7. One of my favorite things about Jasmine is that since these are digital books, you don't ever have to worry about your books being late. The checkout period is how long you will have access to this item. At the end of this period, your book is going to be automatically returned. You don't have to do anything at all. Now, let's go ahead and left-click on the Borrow button. Here, you can see the ways that the book can be accessed. You can read your item now in the browser. You don't have to do anything else but click this button, and your book is available to be read. If you use one of these download options, either download as an EPUB or read now with Kindle, you don't have to have an internet connection once you've borrowed and downloaded the book. We're not going to look at downloading the book now. Let's go ahead and left click on this X. Depending on the item, you may have different download options. Some will have multiple options, like the book that we just looked at, but others will only have one. And if it's an audiobook, the only option will be to download as an MP3. Now you can see that at the top of the item that we borrowed, it says borrowed, and the top of the item that we waitlisted says on hold. This concludes the tutorial on accessing and borrowing books on Jasmine Digital Library. See our YouTube tutorials on how to download your items. If you have any questions, feel free to message us on OCL's Facebook page. Thank you for watching.